Never before have I been more excited to open up a Pusheen box. Look at it! Just look at it! Look at it! Look at it! Look at her! Look at her! Come on! It's a strawberry milk themed Pusheen box. In honour, I had to wear the baby pink. Where are my pink scissors? Pink scissors at the ready. Here we go. It's your girl Ayesha, and I'm super duper excited. Oh my gosh. So this box arrived a couple of days ago, but I didn't have time to do it. And I was just like, I need to open up this Pusheen box because it looks incredible. Thank goodness I haven't seen any spoilers at all. But the box itself, oh my God. Oh my God. And also in honor of the strawberry milk theme, I kind of went all out. Check out my ring. Can you guys see that? Wait, let me focus it. Hold on. Let me focus. Focus. There we go. So I made this a long time ago, along with, check this out. Yeah, I'll bring you down here. This is very unprofessional. But check that out. How cute is this? Hold on. Let me just adjust. This is an interesting angle. Let me just, there we go. Look at that. It's a bit much, isn't it? It's me though, isn't it? What do you expect? Anyway, welcome to my Pusheen corner, my kawaii corner. Isn't it absolutely gorgeous? By the way, if you are new to my channel, hello and welcome. My name is Ayesha, and I am your kawaii crafting sister, here for all of your cute crafting needs, and of course, anything that is cute and comes out of a box, namely Pusheen. I am the Pusheen queen, self-professed. Anyway, let's get into the box. Okay, pink scissors at the ready. Here we go. Let me very carefully cut this wrap because I don't want to damage the box. How am I gonna do this? Do I hold the box? Do I put the box down? I'll put the box down. I'll put it down and then I'll just like put my hand in and drag stuff out. It's been a while. Okay. This feels like it could be maybe like a makeup bag. Or yeah, it's like a pouch of some sort. Oh, that's so cute! Oh my gosh, this is adorable! I love it. However, I would probably hook a chain on that and wear it as like a crossbody one. Do you know what I mean? I'd probably do that. I would either wear it as a crossbody or I would stick a strap through it and wear it as a bum bag, or as you Americans might say, a fanny pack. I don't know what accent that was. I'm sorry. Next! Okay, what are these? Are these magnets? Magnets, maybe? Magnets or stickers? I'm thinking magnets. Oh my gosh! They are magnets! Oh, these are so cute! Oh my gosh, look! Look how cute. Hang on, I think I actually have. Oh my gosh. Wait for it. If we've got one of these plushes inside of the box, I'm gonna go mental. Look! I have the matching plush. If we get, sorry, let me just adjust my exposure. There we go. If we get the milk carton or like the juice carton, well, it probably would be the milk. If we get the milk carton plush, I will lose my mind. Is this a notebook? Oh my God. Ooh, it's two notebooks. Ooh. So one has the chocolate milk and the other one has the strawberry milk, and I think that these are plain paper notebooks as well. Oh no, they're not. They're lined. I thought it said it was plain paper. No, it didn't. It just said paperback notebooks. Read it properly, Ayesha. Jesus Christ. Right, so they are lined. Are they both lined? They're both lined. They're both lined, people. Sorry, I'm very excited. Okay. Actually, no, I'm not sorry. I'm not going to apologize for my excitement anymore. That's done. All right. I'm happy. I'm a happy person. Is this a pen? This feels like a pen. Oh, it's a straw. Okay. I was like, what is this? Is this just like a glass straw? Why do we have a glass straw? Do we get a glass in here? Maybe we do. Okay. We'll hold fire on that. What is the... Oh my good God. Okay, now I see why we have a glass straw. Oh my God. Oh my God. Sorry, I'm just literally just chucking the packaging because I'm just way too excited about this. Oh. Ah. Look at this. Oh my gosh. How'd you open it? Hang on. How'd you open this? Do you just... Wait, what? I am so confused. I am so confused now. Do I not just, like... Oh, do you just pull it off? Is this the actual glass? Wait, hold on. Is this not a glass? Hold on. It wasn't a glass. I almost broke it. It's the vinyl figure. It's not an actual glass. It's not an actual cup. I almost broke it. Here's me. And I'm like, but hold on. With these ridges, surely that means you just pull it up. No, Ayesha. It's the vinyl figure. Leave it alone. So this doesn't go in. No. I cannot believe I almost broke the vinyl figure. Oh my God. Right, let's meet your twin. Look at them. So adorable. Oh my gosh. I need some water. You like my bottle? Pink and mint, pink and mint. What is this? I can't feel it. It's in a box. I don't know what it is. It's a pen holder. Oh my God. It's massive. Oh my God. Oh, I love it. 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 I absolutely love it. I love it. I love it. There's nothing more to say. I just love it. I just love it. Oh my God. Oh my God. I love that with every fibre of my being. I love it. Oh my goodness. Wow. Okay, I need some Pusheen pens to go in here. Love it. Love, 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 love. This is the Pusheen glass. Okay. Now we know why we have the glass straw. Oh, not the polystyrene. I hate polystyrene. Well, at least this kind of polystyrene. Oh, God. It's the one thing I don't like about packaging. Oh, it's the sound. I can't stand the sound. Ah! Perfection. Are we aware of the perfection levels here? Look at this. Hello, hi. Hi, my name's Pusheen and I'm perfect. Hi. I want to fill it with packing peanuts and the only polystyrene that I like, packing peanuts. I want to fill it with packing peanuts and place it in my like foodie area. To be honest though, my God, like I have so many Pusheen things now. I'm going to need to like rearrange stuff because it is getting a lot, guys. It's getting a lot. I'm going to need to expand. I think this is the last thing. Okay. It feels like it could possibly be clothing, or it could be a bag, or it could be a blanket of some sort. Like a picnic blanket, maybe. I'm feeling what feels like a strap of some sort. I don't know. A denim jacket! Get out! Oh my gosh. This is the cutest thing. Oh my goodness. Look at the jacket with the little Pusheen on there. Unfortunately, it's plain on the back. And I have said this before, when it comes to the clothing, I do prefer to have a big ass design on it so that everybody knows it's Pusheen. But this is super duper cute. Oh my gosh, I'll try it on. Hold on. Pusheen team, if you're listening, I would love to see something like this, but with a big, massive design on it. Like, let the world see Pusheen. Pusheen deserves to be seen. All right, here we go. So this is a size medium. Okay, now if I bend this down a bit, can you guys see? That is super duper cute. I just wish that it was a big design on the back. I could have actually gone for a small, to be honest. I could have gone down to a small because there's a bit of space at the back, but that's okay because if I'm wearing it, say I wear it like over layers, if I wear it like in like the autumn or something and I've got like a jumper on underneath it, then that should be absolutely fine. But I love it. I absolutely love it. I just want that to be bigger. Bigger is better. Bigger is better. Okay, let's take a quick peek at the card. How cute is this? Definitely going to be displaying that and just making sure that I definitely got everything. Yes, I did. This is the back of the card. Super duper cute. If you guys are interested in grabbing yourself a Pusheen box, I do have a link in the description box below so that you guys can go ahead and check it out, and feel free to grab your Pusheen box through my link. Thank you very much. What was your favorite item or items? For me, it's got to be, hold on. It's got to be these two for me. It has to be, okay? The little bubble tea sheen, Boba Sheen, and the strawberry milk pen holder. I just think that's practically two vinyl figures in one, and I'm very, very happy about that. I do now really want to get the matching plush to this because this has the plush there. So I feel like I need to get the matching plush to this. So I should be taking a trip down to Claire's Accessories for that. Let me know, guys, what was your favorite item or items from this box? And I really hope that you have enjoyed watching me squeal with delight. Oh, before I go, let me show you how the actual box looks. Hold on. There we go, because you didn't get to see it before. Oh, that is so cute, man. That is so damn cute. I'm gonna have to keep this one, I think. I love it. I absolutely love it. I'm going to leave you with a playlist full of all of my Pusheen unboxings. So if you are also a Pusheenaholic like me and you want to check out some of my previous Pusheen unboxings and other Pusheen content, whether it be crafts or visiting places that are filled with Pusheen, then yeah, feel free to check those out at the end of this video. If you enjoyed this video and you would like to see more kawaii unboxings and more kawaii crafts as well, then make sure that you definitely do stick around. If you're not already, then feel free to subscribe if you are loving that vibe. I said that the wrong way around. It's been a while. Take care, my darlings, and I'll see you all soon. Bye.